Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going with Q4 of the weekly contest 333, Find the String with LCP. So I was very close to solving this problem during the contest, but I think honestly I was just too exhausted. I think the two things that is wrong with this contest, at least, and I was just very exhausted. Yeah, I mean, the short story is, to be frank, is that Leetcode doesn't really support Python, and I feel like every second contest I have to complain, and they just kind of ignore it. So maybe one day I'll just stop using Python, and they could stop pretending that they support Python, because that is just, kind of a joke right now, if you ask me, because it's just, I don't know. If I sound a little bit tilted and salty, you're right, because I just feel like, giving up my Saturday evening and trying to, like, have some fun, and they just kind of, like, I mean, and there's nothing that I haven't said before, so it's just at a certain point, I blame myself for being the idiot, for being in an abusive relationship and keep on believing them that oh yeah, we'll improve Python support, we'll blah blah blah, and I'm like, okay, yeah, let's do that. Instead, I should just convert to C++ or Java or something, right? Not that I haven't done it before, so maybe I'll do it next contest. Who knows? I just need to kind of ramp up on practice as well. Anyway, sorry about that, friends. Ranting about it, but anyway, I didn't solve this problem during the contest, but because I think basically those two problems added about 20 minutes at least. No, 25 minutes or something like that to so it took 25 minutes away from me to solve this, though I probably should have solved this, but I was just too tired doing silly things in other languages and optimizing different things, that I was just too tired for this. Saturday night problems. Anyway, let's go over this one. I think this one has a straightforward understanding, but I kind of just messed up here, to be honest, because it is just me at the end of the day. The first thing to notice is that for me, I mean, there are a couple of ways you can do this problem, and I think Josh on my Discord actually talked about a different way to do it without being the way that I did it. But I'm going to explain the way that I did it because, well, I barely understand my way of doing it. So I'm if Josh, if Josh wants to do his video, you can check that out. I don't know. Can't find a solution, actually. I was going to at least show it so you can take a look. Oh, no, there it is. Yeah, I don't understand the solution. So I'll go over my solution because it is one that I understand, so we'll go over it. Right? Okay, so I did some validation stuff initially, but the idea is actually pretty straightforward. So okay, let me do some ASCII art here because I don't think drawing helps that much, to be honest. But yeah. So you have this matrix, right? What does this mean? This means that for me, ignoring the number, ignoring this number for now, what it means to me is that okay, I mean, on I diagonal, it's going to have to be, everything is the same, because that's just by definition, right? Otherwise, if this is non-zero, what does that mean? That means that the first character is equal to the third character, right? Because this is on row 1, column 3. Here it's saying that the second character is equal to the fourth character, because this is row 2, column 4, right? And that's really all I needed to know, because by definition, if this was a 1, then it also means that well, no, it means other things, but yeah, So that's basically the idea. And of course, this graph has to be symmetric because then now, in this one, it's just saying third characters, you go to first character and so forth, right? So from this, the way that I thought about it is that, well, now we have a graph, right? Because now we have this equivalence class of, okay, the first character, you go to third character, you can kind of imagine the bigger cases where, like, okay, first character is equal to third character, which is equal to the sixth character. So then you have this transitive property, and then you have this transitive closure, and then you have, from transitive closure, you actually have this thing called equivalence class. And when you have this thing called equivalence class, what comes to mind? For me, it's about union find. Basically, it's just saying that, okay, for all these characters, let's do them together. I'm not going to go over union find in my code because I actually just copy and paste it in anyway. So here's my union find code. I usually actually write it out, but today, especially after the other two problems, I was just too tired to think about it. So I just kind of did it this way. Here I did some light validation. I didn't like... This part during the contest was fine. This is basically if we didn't have enough letters, or if it's not symmetric, or if it's not symmetric, then this is wrong, or if the diagonal is wrong, then you just return empty. Otherwise, we set up a union find, and as we said, because it is symmetric, we only have to look at from j to I, j from I plus 1 to n, and then if this is bigger than 0, then we do a union grouping, right? And then after that, the way that I did it is greedily assign it from left to right. So we basically look at this, we go, okay, let's group, we find the group number. If we haven't assigned this yet, then we set this group to the smallest letter. If we have more than 27 groups, we return false because that means that you ran out of letters, right? I actually messed this up afterwards, but nonetheless. And then now this part we fill it out again, and this should be right except for the validation part. And this is the part that I kind of messed up during the contest because I was just blanking out on it. I was thinking about n squared log n algorithms because I wasn't thinking about the DP solution. But the DP is actually very straightforward as well. Or at least it's straightforward compared to the rest of this problem. I'm not going to go over it that deeply, but the idea is just that if you have I and a j, then it is just you go to, if the worth of I is equal to I as sub, let me say it again, sorry friends. If worth sub I is equal to worth sub j, then we set it to equals to either 1 or 1 plus the substring, moving downwards, right? So there, in this way, you can reconstruct the LCP. And once you have the LCP2, you just make sure that this gives you the same as the input. If it is, then you validate and you can return the word. Otherwise, you just return empty string. I think the part that I probably explained is this part, but I'm really tired today, but this is actually, something that you probably should know. Like it may appear by itself as a medium problem, for example, especially nowadays. Maybe it should have been a hard though from back in the day. But but hopefully this makes sense. Let me know what you think. Make this smaller so you can maybe see the full size. This is roughly the full size. Let me know what you think. So this is going to be n squared, assuming union is O of 1. I'm just going to say it is O of 1 for now. You could debate dependent in the comments. I'm just really tired of Leetcode today. Sorry, friends. This is obviously n squared. This is O of n, because this is O of 1, and this is O of 1, a lot of O of 1s. And this is also O of n. And this thing is O of n squared. You could just count the loops. Right, so this is n squared. The comparison is also n squared, and then this is O of n. So everything is going to be n squared time and n squared space. And that's pretty much all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I know I'm being tired, and maybe this isn't the best video. If you want to support my love, then hit the like and the subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know how annoying this one was for you. I don't know. This may be the last contest I do in Python. We'll see. Anyway, that's all I have for today. So let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye. Just quick submit. This is such a BS thing. I got it so quickly that I spent like 30 minutes writing it. Okay, let's see. What's so? I'm so tilted for this from this farm, to be honest. Like 17 minutes wasted on this. Okay, focus. LCP I of j is width sub I and j sub I. Okay. So what does this mean? So we have 4020, 0301, 2020, 0101. What does that mean? And the sad part is that like there's so much penalty that, you know, like I got it pretty quickly. 17 minutes, 20, it took like 9 minutes. My brain is too fried to try to figure this. Okay. That was the longest common prefix between the substrings. So starting from that, okay. Oh no. Like this could have, my brain wasn't so fried from doing that other one. Maybe there was a dumber way to do the other one too. So maybe I kind of made this too crazy. But try to think real quick. I guess we can see if we can see if we can do it one at a time. Alright. Is this symmetric? No. Okay, let's say this is an A, right? Then what? So if there's a full prefix, what does that mean? spend more time on the C++. Way tilted. Okay. Can we do, what happens if can we do an A? Basically, we want to maybe store suffixes, that makes sense. I don't know. Of the last characters that we've seen. Cannot spell. Okay, fine. Yes. The same. Then what happens? Then we're good. Try again. Because then now it matches, maybe? I don't know if this is true. Otherwise. We add that and then oh, there's just a delta, right? Somewhere. I don't even need this, right? Maybe something like this. Don't know what I'm trying to do here. Must be a way to kind of So pissed at this because I got it so quickly. People got Q4 pretty quickly too. Maybe I might miss. I mean, I think it's just greedy, but I can't really. So 4 and then 0, right? So this 0 means that I have to start a new character. And then the 2 means that so 4 could be, is it always 4? Oh yeah, so it always starts at 4. Okay. Yep. And then the 0 means that we have to start. This is kind of weird the way that I wrote it. Always starts with an A. I guess it makes sense because without loss of generality. So basically there's 4. And then 3, 2, 1, so that doesn't even change anything. Okay, so then I'm trying to find the first case in which LCP is bigger, right, than it starts at 4. 0 means a new character, that's fine, maybe. And then, because it has to, and then the 2, what does the 2 mean? The 2 means that the last 2 characters are this, so this is the same as the character that was 2 ago, and then 0 is, well, I don't know, I know this one, unless this is Googleable too. Why do I have this code? What am I doing? I think I was just trying to do the reverse suffix thing, but I'll be less pissed if I didn't spend so much time on that one. So 4. This is trying to find it. So what I was trying to do is trying to find. I cannot undo it, so no. Maybe I was close. I don't know. But basically, I go okay. This is symmetric, right? Yeah, it should be symmetric. For obvious reasons. We should check that, though. Because if it's not, then it... Yeah, then that's a easy whatever, but... Basically, okay. So 4... Right. So LCP of ij, what does that mean? That means that on this row we go, okay, if this is 0, if this is so we're going to go 0, false, break, right? But then otherwise, if this is equal to, what happens? Well, then we just continue, because that means that we match that so far. Otherwise, then the LCP is, so then it starts at 0, this would match, we're good. Then it goes to 2. 2 means that someone like this, right? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, oops. Okay, that's not even close to being right so far. Why does it think it's a C? Oh, because it goes to the 2. I think this should be the last one. Maybe. Yeah, okay. Maybe not. I only have half an hour. I'm just so tired from the other farm. What am I trying to do here? Basically, first number that this is bigger than the suffix that we care about, right? And now the suffix is just going to be the first 3, because it pushes 3. I don't know if this makes sense. So if it's 8A, then what happens? Then this would give okay, suffix. What does the 0 mean? 0 means that A1 is not equal to A2. Okay, so then we AB. And 2, what does the 2 mean? That means that this is the same as the first character. Okay, so that means that I see, maybe. I think I have a way to attack this. And what does this 3 mean? 3 means that... Let me think of another way of saying it. So I'm just trying to connect components it. So maybe it's like a graph thing. And then, yeah. The 2 means that it is equal to the first. Okay, and then the 3, what does that mean? 3 means that it is equal to the word before. Okay, so if it's non-zero, it almost doesn't even matter, right? The way that I'm thinking about it. I don't know if this is right, but I'm gonna try for it. Do I have pre-win code for this? I don't mind typing this out, but I feel like I've spent too much time on this form already. And also the other ones I'm going to cheat a little bit. And I don't even know if this is right, so that's why as well. Because then I have to modify it. For j in range of I plus 1n, right? If LCP of ij is greater than 0, then is this right? That's why I don't want to, you know. Okay, and then for I in range of n, we just greedily go but some stuff has to be like not equal to, so that's the tricky part. Also, maybe some I and the j is a little bit weird. So 0, this is not, the 2 means that it matches, right? Okay, that maybe is fine. We'll see if this works. I don't know if this works, but yeah, see. I don't know if this is possible, to be honest, but or like the way that I'm doing it. But let's think about this. And then we just have to make sure that this thing is validated. So yeah, so just I don't know this. Oh, whoops. This is let's see. So 4, so 0. Oh, okay, maybe just this then. I don't know if this is right, but YOLO. Okay, I mean, How many cases? Did they tell you what cases? No, I don't remember if they do. But AA. Wait, why didn't I? 2221. Oh, what I need is also silly validation. If ij is greater than n minus j, and also I minus j, I guess, but oh, whatever. I said it wrong, but is that right though? What about this? Yeah, okay. Just want to check. I am too tired to come up with test cases, so yeah. Okay. This is such a silliness. 1 1 1 1 1. Oh, I see. I guess I could just reconstruct this again. Okay, secondary. Whatever. Okay, and then basically, this is gonna be n cubed if I do it, right? So how would I do it? This is way odd. I can't do it that way, but I don't know how to validate this that well. I might could validate this one specifically, but that's just weird, right? So we have 4. So this is because that's n cubed to do it the way that I was thinking of doing it. These could also just be all 2s, and then I would not know how to fix it. So it's not a 1 thing, but this is a 4. Can this be a 1? No. Number has to be... it has to be? Is it just this or 0? I actually don't know if this is true, so we're gonna test it. Well, okay, this gives the right answer for this one. What is the answer for this one? I don't remember anymore. Oh no, this is wrong because this is bigger than it. Hmm. Another YOLO. Ah, okay. Oh, well, this finally I got one that is going the other way. I mean, I don't know how to do the validation part. I think the other parts I get, but let's see. Right, we'll just visualize this real quick. At least we have, you know, if this is a hidden case, I would probably be GG, but. So this one has a valid answer, but it fails because I think that this cannot be one. That's fair. I think I minimized it. I think I was wrong on this case. And even the 1-1s here is a little bit. Wait, it's possible? I guess so, because we look at this one. So 8. And then the 1, 2. And then 0. One, 2, and 0. Okay. If I do I at least get the right answer if I didn't terminate early? I do get the right answer, so at least if it is possible, then I'm getting it right. But I just don't know how to validate for this. 15 minutes-ish. How do I check that this is possible, but this is impossible? Because these are ones. So basically, if they're the same, can I do some checks that way? But anyway, 17 minutes. I would have gotten this eventually. How am I doing? Want my 17 minutes back? But n square, so that's too much if I sort it. found this code on the internet. We'll see if this saves me. Right. I don't know if this works, but this is supposed to give me a thing. What is SNSA? What are all these things? No, because it requires a generated suffix array. And we could do that. I could find one here. I don't even know if these codes work. Let me see. Okay, and then I don't know how to use this, but okay. Is this remotely right? I don't think so. Because this, yeah, I don't know what this internet code is doing. It looks very nice though, but I have no idea what it's doing. How do I check if this is routed? I don't know how to do this part. I don't even know how this comes about. How do I take a look? I don't know how they just. Wow. So close. I actually got this, but the union fine, but I just don't know how to validate it. I'm actually surprised that there can be 1-1s. It's basically saying 2 from B. Four. So this is like this string and this string. Is it? I guess it could make sense that there's 1-1. That's fine. What? Five one is possible as well, so it's not like I don't know how to, unless it's literally like generating it. I don't know how to calculate this in faster. And this 1-1 doesn't even. It's still like a transitive closure, but it's not really, right? If they're the same group. And this one is fine. Maybe that's what I'm struggling with. Is it? Which one is the other one that I get? Oh, this one. This one's the one I'm struggling with, really. How did I make this wrong then? Minutes. How is this wrong? If I don't know. Missing one check maybe. Is there something about the sum of these things? No, this doesn't seem like there's anything about the sum of these things. I mean, this isn't even right. This is the... So I don't know. I don't know about this. We flip a coin. Oh well, time's up. I don't know how to do this. I mean, I know how to calculate it, but said these things don't make sense. Very sad. I mean, I think it's over, right? I wonder if, I mean, people got this very quickly. Maybe there's a known thing. Just waiting for, I feel like I'm very close. Because if there's a solution, I could find it. But I just don't know how to validate the Q4. How long does it take to update these days? It used to be pretty fast. I really have no idea. I mean, how many? 3 wrong answers. Good job, Chi Impact. Am I missing something weird? Four minutes? Wow. Maybe people know that. Maybe there's a easier way. Maybe I'm just doing it. Well, I mean, I don't know how this works. Well, let's look at the 4-minute solution. So we got the union thing the same. I am dumb. It's just a deep. So you have to. I was trying to do all these funky things, and I guess that's really it. You just reconstruct it. Let me try to do it without it. Copying the. I should have. Yeah, maybe the DP would have been okay, but yeah. I mean, I guess, I don't know why I didn't think about it like this. But I really thought there was something more complicated. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay. This is right. I think I overthought myself with respect. Oh well, 27. Okay, fine, but I actually was trying to. I thought I had something here, but yeah. I actually did think about this during the contest, but I forgot. Okay. Yeah, I think I was just so exhausted about this one that I forgot to do the DP. As soon as I saw it. Yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join my Discord. Let me know what you think about this farm and my explanation and everything and whatever. Yeah, that's all I have for today. So let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye bye.